A dog tags case.
Oh, sick. That's worth quite a bit.
And there's an STM. Do you want to come grab that and we'll go back down into tunnels?
Nah, leave that STM.
Okay, let's go. Back into the tunnels. Hold. I heard walking, I think. Let's get through. Throw power, but then close the next. I'd leave that first door open. Close the second door. Like we're not here. MP5 and a horse. Walking on our left.
On metal?
Yep. And back the other way too.
That wasn't you dying, was it?
No, no, no. Stay real still.
I got a flashlight on. Here they come. That's a GL.
Fuck.
Fuck. I missed my shot so bad.
It's all good, dude. That is GR. Let me know if they come through the door.
I'll try. They're pushing me. Got him.
Nice, 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 nice. I'm in the room next to you.
Yoink.
Is that the GL man?
No.
Fuck.
Let's go to RPK. Sexy RPK, I must say. BT ammo.
There's still two.
Did he run in?
I think so. Was that your nade?
Yeah. I think he got into the bathroom.
Yep.
They're pushing in.
Yep.
Attack.
Yep.
In the bathroom. How did he knock that?
Are you dead?
No. Got him?
I grenaded out the front.
He needs some help, maybe. You good?
Yep. Got one.
Got the other.
There's one more in this ledge.
I think I got him. He was leaving. I shot him down.
No. I think there's a guy in the office on my left. Back towards power.
Okay, okay.
When you're healed, can you come in and help me clear?
Yeah. Sweet, well I could do.
I'm coming out to you.
Yeah, come to me. Let's go try this.
Vector lab. Just closing the doors.
Just gonna try to get some grenades here.
Yeah, do your thing.
Got a couple. Come here.
Mine aid.
Yep.
Did you just open a door? Close the door.
Closed it.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep. No one. Looks okay, but only so far. Careful.
Doing good, man.
Did we just clear? Like a 5-man?
I think we did. Let's
Loot up
do that.
and bail. Be real.